In this video, you'll learn how to create a progress bar in Notion. By following these instructions, you will be able to visually track your progress on various tasks or projects within your Notion workspace. Start by navigating to the Notion website. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to avoid delays during this process. Once the page loads, log into your account if prompted. You should see your main dashboards displaying your existing pages. Next, locate and click on the Add a Page button, typically found in the sidebar. This action will create a new page where you can set up your progress bar. Once the new page is created, you will see a blank canvas ready for your input. After that, click on the title area at the top of the page. This allows you to enter a name for your new page. For instance, you might type Project Progress or any name that reflects the purpose of this page. Once you have entered the title, you can proceed to the next step. Type in /database inline in the main content area of the page. This command will enable you to insert a database directly into your page. As you type, you will see Notion suggest the option for an inline database. Select it to create the database. Click on the database inline option that appears in the drop-down. This will insert a new inline database into your page, providing you with a structured format to track various items related to your progress. Now, click on Add Property within the database. This is where you will define the types of data you want to track. You will see options for different property types appear on the screen. Select the number property type from the options provided. This property will allow you to input numerical values, which will be essential for calculating progress later on. After selecting this option, the property will be added to your database. Click on the property name again to rename it. This step is important for clarity. You might rename it to something like completion percentage or simply progress. Ensure the name reflects the purpose of the property. Rename it to bookmark, for example, as this might represent a specific task or project component. This naming helps in organizing your database effectively. After renaming, click on a blank space in the database to continue configuring your progress bar. Click on Add Property once more to introduce another property. This time, consider adding a formula property to calculate the progress based on the numbers inputted in your previous properties. Select the formula option from the property types. The formula will enable you to create calculations that can visually represent your progress in a bar format. Once the formula property is added, you can set up the necessary calculations. Click on Add a Page within the formula property. This will allow you to create a new entry where you can input the title of the item you wish to track. For example, you could type Task 1 or any other relevant title. Now, click on a blank space on the page to finalize your entry. This is where you will input the progress numbers associated with the task. Type in 10 to represent full completion for the first task. Next, click on the bookmark property blank space. This is where you will input progress for another task. Type in 20 to indicate that this task is partially complete. Click on the formula blank space next. This action allows you to set up the formula that will calculate the overall progress based on the numbers you have entered. Type in bookmark/page to create the formula that divides the completed tasks by the total tasks. Finally, click on the form option to configure the visual representation of your progress. You can further customize how the progress bar appears by adjusting settings within the property options in Notion. After completing these steps, you will have successfully created a progress bar in Notion. This tool will help you visualize your project completion and keep track of your tasks efficiently. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.